So if electric motors started as giant lab experiments, how is it that they now fit inside a hand drill? In 1820, long time ago, a Danish scientist named Hans Christian Ørsted accidentally noticed a compass needle twitch when a wire carried a current past. That tiny movement, which we now know to be a magnetic field, was caused by electricity, which became the seed of every electric motor on Earth. So a year later, Michael Faraday pushed it a little bit further. He created electromagnetic rotation, which is basically a wire spinning around a magnet. And this became the first prototype of an electric motor. It wasn't quite useful yet, but it proved that the universe ran on a rule we could exploit. So after that, a bunch of other inventors started to pile on after reading these papers and such. Ányos Jedlik built a rotator, stator, and commutator, which are the core components of the motors we still use today. Then William Sturgeon, this guy's really important, made one strong enough to actually turn machinery. Moritz von Jacobi built one that powered a boat. And in 1837, Thomas Davenport and his wife Emily patented the first American electric motor. For most of the 1800s, motors were huge, heavy, and basically only for factories. They're too big and too power hungry to put into anything handheld. The breakthrough came decades later, not from physicists, but from tool makers. In 1895, the two German brothers who founded C and E Fenen GmbH created something totally new. They strapped a compact electric motor onto a handheld drill. This was the first electric power tool company in history. From there, everything snowballed. Better magnets made motors lighter. Better copper windings made them stronger. Bearings, insulation, and metal housings improved so much that by the early 1900s, motors were small enough to fit in a 5-pound one-handed drill. Mind-blowing. And a century later, brushless motors and lithium-ion batteries would make the modern cordless tools we rely on today. I use them personally. These tiny machines were built on centuries of science, and I'm so grateful that we have them because they make making things so much easier for me.